Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super simple, cheap gold grinder. First of all, you're going to place one wooden rod, grab some titanium, then you're going to grab two metal rods, and you're going to flip them, 1, 2, then get your hinge, place it right here, then you're going to get one wood or titanium, and then you're going to place a chair if you want to. And you're going to grab this magnet, and you're simply just going to grab this, put it there, delete the rod, launch it or unanchor it, and then there you have it. A really cheap, easy gold grinder.